Band is continuously imparting knowledge in music to the youths of Rosario and neighboring towns, focusing on achieving great musicality, superb showmanship, character building, and good sportsmanship through the guidance of our God and patroness, Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario, Reina del Caracol. Happy 11th year anniversary, Holy Rosary Youth Band! Ang dami! Over 100 members ang Holy Rosary Youth Band. Nagdiriwang po ang Holy Rosary Youth Band ng ika-11 taon ng pagkakatatag ngayong araw. Exact date, no?